I think there are 2 to 3 things that's been helping us really well, obviously because of the agentic capabilities of Claude Code. The first thing is we have started to use the EXA MCP and a couple of other MCPs within Claude Code to do a lot of account intelligence and research. Obviously, we've not figured out a way to scale this, but if it is for an enterprise client just doing for 100 accounts, I know Claude Code is doing a really great job. So that's been the first impact, and we've started to use this right now. The second is in our demand generation efforts. In order to connect a bunch of tools, I know Claude Code has started to roll out a lot of MCPs and it has capabilities to read API docs. That has sort of increased our productivity. And the third thing is we've been able to speak to files using Claude Code, as in the files that are residing within our system, and help it make sense from a bunch of say 10-12 files that we've had interaction with our clients or their knowledge bases, and help us create either campaign messaging or clean up data files, etc. So I think these are some 2 to 3 areas that we've started to implement in our business, and it's been really great so far. I think I can speak about that in terms of an example. So a couple of weeks back, I had this client who wanted a proposal from me, and at least in about 8 to 10 days I sent one client proposal. Usually what happens is once there's a discussion, the client requests for a deck or a presentation or a doc or a proposal document, right? I remember it was last week and I had stepped out for some personal work and I didn't have time to create this proposal. I came back, I thought for a moment, okay, shall I just take more time from the client, or shall I just implement what I learned in the Claude Code cohort that Tanay had taught us in the first one, which is we can create really great custom landing pages and then host it on Vercel. And you can also add logos using front-end design and a couple of other MCP integrations that are there, right? And that's what I did. I literally didn't have to even lift a finger. I used a voice to text command to ask Claude to go to my Fireflies MCP, fetch the meeting with the client on the previous day, ask that read through the entire transcript, don't skip anything, learn all of the workflows that the client is demanding. Here's a couple of my inputs. Can you create a landing page for me? And it did a great job. It was like a 10x improvement on what we usually do in Google Docs or slides or, sometimes we use Figma, but Figma takes time for a designer to create, right? You literally have to add arrows and logos and stuff like that. And it was done in like 15 minutes, and then I showed it to my partner and my partner was like, wow, you accomplished that in 15 minutes. I would take a couple of hours or 3 hours to do this. This is just one simple example of the potential impact that it started to have on a GTM engineer. And I think we've not even scratched the surface, but this kind of opened up a thought in my mind. There's a lot more that I can do and automate using Claude Code for my business as well as for my clients. I'm in the process of sort of creating skills around the markdown files within Claude Code. The other thing that we have been doing really heavily is that we use a lot of Excel files and CSV files to clean up first names, normalize company names. Sometimes we do it on Clay, sometimes we're like, hey, Clay is not doing a great job. Let me just do it offline using formulas and Excel, right? Now with the power of Claude Code and its ability to use Python and Node.js within it, Commands is able to help us clean Excel files at scale. And sometimes we have multiple lead generation files sitting in one folder. To give a very small example, sometimes we would run VLOOKUPs using manual, literally putting in the formula in an Excel, putting a pivot, putting a VLOOKUP. It's just crazy and super impressive that you just give commands to Claude Code and you say, here are 3 Excel files. I want you to normalize the first name, the last name, figure out if there are overlaps between these 2 to 3 files. And then here's the API key for Instantly or Email Bison. Can you send this data to Email Bison directly? This used to take 1 hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours earlier. And from a productivity standpoint, I think I've gotten back at least a couple of hours per week, which I'm able to invest back into my business, say in having better meetings with my clients, with my team members, or creating content. And then I'm in the process of obviously creating skills around these few things that I've built for myself. That's what I've been able to build so far using Claude Code, yeah. Yeah, I think I really like the way Bootcamp always comes up with teaching sessions where it's either one-to-one or it feels very one-to-one, as if the coach is literally giving you their entire time. And although we had just 7 to 8 people, the coach would always say, hey, in case you're stuck, feel free to let me know. I'll stop teaching and you can share your screen. I'll help you troubleshoot. We are not going to go until we solve this problem for you. So that's the good part about the cohort, where you get that one-to-one attention. There are a lot of resources out there. So many people have started posting about Claude Code on YouTube. The thing is, you just can't stop that person and ask a question, right? Whatever is there, and that's what you've got to learn. I think the format of one day of teaching and the other day of lab work has been really, really helpful, because what we teach, we literally implement, and some of us, as far as I know, have started offering those real implementations to clients as well. So that's been a huge improvement in our day-to-day work. The good part about the coach Tanay of Claude Code Cohort was that he'd leave about 30 minutes in the end as an open session, and we can come up with really different ideas on how we can implement Claude Code in our work. And the good part about those 30-minute sessions are that we would be able to find out what others are thinking, and Tanay would obviously take time to help us understand and implement them as well. So I think the structure is great. The manner in which the attention was given was great. I, in a way, got most out of it. I've been able to implement a lot of things in my work. Yeah. Honestly, I'm yet to frame an offer around Claude Code for my clients at the moment. The best use case that I've come up with is with a client, and obviously I can't name the client's name for confidentiality clauses. This client is implementing Claude as Claude for Teams as a business within the company. They want their employees to interact with Claude and have all of their knowledge bases over there, and it's like an open source AI system brain for themselves. And I am doing my part to implement Claude Code as an addition to the Claude systems that they're implementing within their company. I think that's the closest I've come so far, and whatever I've talked about lead gen, demand gen, or account research, everything that I'm doing on Claude Code just adds up as a knowledge base to the Claude for business systems that they've already built. So anytime I create a knowledge base or a process using Claude Code, I use that markdown file to upload it onto their Claude business system. So anyone within their team and company can actually use my markdown file and recreate the same process for themselves.